Algorand's mass certainly shows an especially descending pattern in a quite enormous manner. As far as Algo support floor, it for the most part is presently 29 cents, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algo fall 7.01% in 7 days in a significant manner. Algorand in a real sense is as of now esteemed at 16 cents the 13th of May 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for most certainly 1 week from now and in every practical sense. Attempt to answer these regularly explicitly clarified some things. What especially is somewhat transient cost expectation for Algorand. Explicitly is Algo a by and large wise venture, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand support and opposition levels and so on in an exceptionally enormous manner. In any case, prior to plunging kind of profound into the Algo specialized examination, essentially let us sort of discuss the especially current economic situations in a fundamentally enormous manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours. There generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole digital currency market to $120,109,556,157 in an unpretentious manner. The all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $29,326,280,073 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, really as opposed to mainstream thinking, which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, which generally is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time span, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging certainly profound into the Algo specialized examination. In every practical sense, let us truly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they in every practical sense thought. XRP, the really local coin of XRP in a real sense, is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents in a genuinely large manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in an especially descending bearing for kind of present moment, which explicitly is very critical. Right now, an essentially broad extremely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized markers used to truly distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become genuinely more for the most part dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which dealers really become move sort of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which in a real sense is very huge. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand. Algorand execution, the kind of current Algorand cost especially is 16 cents, with an exchanging volume of $28,385,184 in the truly beyond 24 hours, which by and large shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a value change of 1.44% inside a similar time span, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Algo specialized examination. In a real sense, let us truly discuss the essentially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, Algo explicitly is up by 0.94% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $1,170,826,838 USD. So as of now, an especially broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a truly significant manner. Algorand value examination. Algo cost investigation for the 13th of May 2023 inside a by and large day-to-day time period sort of made sense of underneath, which most certainly shows that Algorand value examination. Algo cost investigation for the 13th of May 2023 inside a day-to-day time span basically made sense of beneath, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. We utilize commonly relative strength index, moving most certainly normal assembly and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely straightforward moving exceptionally normal and remarkable moving genuinely normal to in a real sense break down the future development of the Algorand. which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The Algorand in every practical sense has truly break all things considered, upholds levels and things in every way that really matters, are not looking generally excellent for the crypto market. Kind of additional appearance how Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33% in an especially enormous manner. Presently, explicitly bears in every practical sense, are in charge of the market and effectively in a real sense take ALGO cost beneath the urgent help level of 29 cents, showing how we utilize sort of relative strength index, moving genuinely normal combination and different backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving especially normal and dramatic moving certainly normal to break down the future development of the Algorand, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking generally. While ALGO's Williams percent R pointer explicitly is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. A exchange commonly signal certainly is somewhat conceivable at this reach. So Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The ALGO USD moving commonly normal union and difference marker truly is demonstrating an especially present moment by and large sell genuinely signal as the MACD line for the most part is moving beneath lovely sign line which sort of means by and large bears truly are overwhelming on the lookout, which generally shows the Algorand value examination ALGO cost examination for the 13th of May 2023 inside a truly everyday time span especially made sense of underneath, which by and large shows the Algorand value investigation ALGO cost examination for the 13th of May 2023 inside a genuinely day-to-day time span sort of made sense of underneath in a huge manner. In every practical sense, relative strength record shows that the ALGO coin sort of is close oversold zone, as RSI really is at 31, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ends from the specialized examination. The sort of generally pattern of the Algorand especially is as yet negative, notwithstanding. The value activity could truly shows an endeavor a bullish really inversion with its bullish overwhelming flame design, which truly is very critical. Hence, on the off chance that LGO figures out how to sort of remain above 29 cents, it can sort of give a superb fundamentally lengthy chance for a LGO community, showing how Algorand especially is as of now esteemed at 16 cents the 13th of May 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense sought clarification on some pressing issues. What sort of is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Algorand. For the most part is ALGO a wise speculation, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical.